My name is Aiden Teoh. I am from Dream World Robotics. My project for this camp is robotic pet. There are varieties of robotic pets such as dog, cat, and birds. In the beginning creation of this robotic pet, it was created for lonely people. This robot also received affection and attention like actual animals. Now let me show you my robot dog. My robot will move around in the black circle. This is my project. Thank you.